Hello, my awesome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to make some chicken soup and I'm about to start. It is really cold, so I'm making this soup to put a bit of heat in my tummy. I'm about to start. Over here, I'm using some chicken. My chicken is already washed and I'm just going to add a bit of salt and a bit of pepper to my chicken. I'm just going to wash my hands. I'm going to rub all these in. The salt and the pepper, combine it together. These are all my vegetables, what I'm going to use in my chicken soup. Carrots, pumpkin, Irish potato, chocho, yam, and this is some flour what I've already need to make my dumplings. And guys, you might not know what chocho is. It's also a vegetables. Yam as well, but you don't have to use it in your soup if you don't want to. I'm using them because I like all the stuff what I'm using. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn my heat on and I'm going to use some Flora margarine. You can use whatever margarine you want to use. It don't have to be Flora. I'm just gonna put a bit in my pan. Once it started melting, I'm going to add my chicken. I'm now adding my chicken. What I'm doing, I'm just sort of browning off my chicken a little bit. Once my chicken brown a little bit, I am going to add some boiling water. Alright, I'm just adding my boiling water to my chicken. I'm going to leave my chicken to cook for a little while and then I'll add my vegetables. Guys, I'm just gonna add my vegetables. So that's my Irish potato. Just covering it and leave it to cook for a while, then I'm gonna add my dumplings. Look at my soup, it's looking really good. And I'm going to add some corn to my soup. Oops. Oh, look at all that, look at all my vegetables, chicken, it's all looking good. So I am just going to add my dumplings now. These are my little dumplings. Like to make them really small and very neat. Are looking good, my little dumplings. And I'm making some more dumplings, but this time I'm not going to do them round. I'm going to do them in a long shape. So you just roll it in your hands like that, and that's it. Just roll it like that, and then just give it a little stretch. Yeah. The soup is looking really good, and it smells good. I'm just gonna add some thyme, some spring onion, and a bit of hot scotch bonnet pepper. That is to help bring the flavor out. Let it taste really delicious. So I'm just adding some butter beans to my soup. This is my butter bean tin, and I've just add some to my soup. And I'm adding some Grace pumpkin soup to my soup. This will bring the flavor out. Wow. I'm just adding this to my soup. Wow, look at that. Oh my word. That is looking really good. Look at that. I'm just giving it another 10 minutes and then it will be ready. Guys, you really need to make this soup, this chicken soup. It is absolutely delicious. Look at it. Look. Wow, look at that. Wow. You really need to make it, guys. It's really nice. This. My soup is ready. So I'm gonna put the heat out. My soup is ready and it's looking good. Let's look at my chicken and vegetable soup. It's looking really delicious. So guys, I'm gonna have a taste and then I'll tell you exactly what I think. Oh my god, this is the soup what you need for the cold weather. Not just the cold weather, it's absolutely delicious. It's full of long-lasting flavor. Wow, absolutely delicious. So guys, if you like my chicken and vegetable soup, please give it a thumbs up, couple likes and share, subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Love you guys.